Okay guys, welcome back. So today we got a shoot day in London. We got two models that you're gonna see during the video. First one.
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Tegan.
I'll pop it in the description as well and pop up as well, so don't worry. We got a lovely house actually. We got loads of rooms that with different kind of designs, so we got a lot of stuff that we can do in the house. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep it short, so we're just gonna head on. Yeah, all this angles. Let's start the thing. Let's start the...
There's already clothes in there.
If anything, just...
Maybe.
I might start like putting some water, but... I was like, what is that beeping?
Oh no.
The laundry while shooting as well. Oh, that's perfect with the laughs as well. Sink.
Oh yeah.
Put the plates in here.
Yeah.
The bottom one doesn't matter. You can't see.
Oh okay, just
Yeah,
that
that's
one.
fine. Yeah, maybe like around the water, maybe.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, try to go closer to the.
Oh, closer.
We could do like you're reaching to drink. Like reaching, don't go like fully like somewhere around here. Yeah, like that. That's enough. Yeah, that's it. Maybe something with
The dishwasher.
Dishwasher, yeah. Yeah, you can go a little bit closer.
Yeah.
Little angle.
Angle like that.
Yeah, so like you pulling it like this basically.
Yeah.
Can still go closer?
Oh,
Yeah. Even closer, like
Right there.
That's it. You could even do kind of like holding a strap behind each other.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah, so you want to be like on this
On this side, yeah.
Yeah, so you you can fully like go kind of like that.
Really
And then, that's it. That's it.
Time goes, you love it. I said that's the best thing I've got here to retire so I can come. Because I literally, I'll be in this whole phase of like, you can, if you're on the side, just like what we do, like different moments, you can live like a king.
Yeah.
Shit, and obviously you're looking at what.
Oh yeah.
So you can live on.
Oh yeah.
These are like what
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Perfect. Yeah, we could probably done on this
Done on this
section
bit.
anyway.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, now we're in the bathroom. We've discovered the mirrors are warm. I don't know why.
No, I don't know why it's warm.
But yeah, we're just gonna get some shots in the bath. Well, by the bath. And yeah, let me put you guys in the shower. So yeah, if you kind of like do some leaning shots like around here.
Yeah.
Get some angles in. This one's sick.
So I think this is really testing my balance.
It looks sick.
Yeah. Oh my god, yeah, that looks really good.
These are reflection.
Oh yeah, that looks so good.
I'm not bringing them up here to the lens.
Yeah.
We could do kind of like against the window with that kind of stuff.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So you could stand here and literally zoom in like there.
Yeah.
Like really nice. Dip in here. Yeah.
So she's like,
Yeah, that's it. This one.